Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll give you the idea about fees structure of IIT. Okay, for each semester. Okay, so guys, some viewers of my YouTube channel requested me to make a video about the fee structure. So guys, I am making this video for mainly humanities and social science background students. So guys, please watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. So guys, at the end of this video, you will get a good idea about fees structure in IIT for each semester. Okay, so guys, let's start. Guys, you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So first of all, I will show you the most important fee structure, and that is about fee structure in IIT Guwahati for first semester. So look, for MA program, okay, for MA program in development studies, okay, so though it is from 2017, but it is the uh, new fee structure. Okay, new developed fee structure. Look guys, this is the fee structure for, it was like for 2015. Okay, so guys, it was 2016. So guys, it was 2017, and you have to pay, look, about total, you have to pay like total for general OBC candidate like about 32,000. Okay, 32,870 rupees, and you have to add all these serial number fees from 1 to 24. So you can see it very clearly that for general candidate, OBC candidate, you have to pay this fees. But if you are like SC ST PWD category candidate, so you have to pay like less fees, about 3,000 less. So it will be like 29,870 rupees. So I think this information will be very helpful. Guys, IIT Guwahati for humanities and social science background student, for you should prefer this institute very very much. You should prefer this, okay, because for MA program in this IIT, actually you will see the huge number of seats, like about 48 seat are there, and you have the opportunity, you can grab one seat. Okay, so prepare very well for your interview. I think there should be interview. Okay, so I'll give you every update about admission, okay, about admission for MA program in humanities and social science for any budget for for humanities and social science student. Okay, so guys, uh, I will show you one more important information. Once again guys, look, this is the fee structure for IIT Hyderabad. Why I am taking this IIT? Because this IIT also offer like MA regular program in humanities and social science background. So guys, here you have to add like fees A, fees B, and look, for regular student, this first one, look, regular student, you have to add A and B, and it will be like about 6,300. Okay, and look, C, so C, look, all the total, so C like 10,500, and for D it is like about uh 1,050 rupees. Okay, 1,050 rupees. And one more important information, that is like, look, registration fee and MTech regular program regular fees, like this is for general OBC candidate. But for SC ST candidate, you have to uh, you have not to pay like about tuition fee. Okay, so this is less. Okay, for SC student, SC student. So look, E and D plus E, so regular candidate, for you have to pay like 11,000 uh, 250 rupees, and A for hostel and mess expenses, so it will be like around 19,575 rupees. So, and like, sorry, it is F, and G hostel facility, it will be like around 8,700. Look, if you like, if you are first year first semester student, they are required to pay the total fee of 7 components: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and medical insurance also. So if you add all the things, so it will be like around like 56,100 rupees. Don't worry about the fee structure, okay? Don't worry about the fee structure. Why I'm telling you guys? Because you will get like 12,000, okay? 12,000 for, you will get 12,400. If you multiply this by 12, okay, so your total annual amount of fellowship amount will be like 1 lakh, 1 lakh 48,000, 48,800, okay? It will be like around this, okay? It will be like around this, okay? And if you multiply this with 6, if you multiply with 6, so it will be around like, it will be around like 6 for like 4, and 6 12 into like 74, okay? 74, 74, like, look guys, listen carefully. So like, look, your all the basic requirements, like any fees, okay, you can easily pay by this money, because each semester you will get 74,400 rupees, okay? I think guys, this information will be really really helpful, and IIT Hyderabad is one type of like in this IIT, fees actually really high, okay? But in other old 7 IIT, you have to pay like around 30 to 30 2,000 to like 38,000 maximum, okay? Okay, maximum, because already I have told you for IIT Guwahati, okay, it will be like 32,000 for general candidate, okay? And for SC ST OBC, it will be like 29,870 rupees, okay? But in IIT Hyderabad, so it will be like high fees, but don't worry about that, because this amount you will get in each semester, and you will yearly you will get like 1,48,800 rupees, okay? So you are getting this money, okay? So don't worry about that. You can pay all the basic fees with the help of this. You have not like, you have not you should not like, you should not take any money from your home, okay? All the fees you can pay from this fellowship, okay? But first time you have to pay this in any way, uh, because after like your when your season will start, you are like, you will get like at the end of, okay, at the end of the month, okay, you will get your fellowship. So I think this information will be really really helpful for you guys, okay? So I want to show you more IIT fees structure. Like, look, this is IIT Delhi, this is IIT Delhi, okay? This is IIT Delhi semester fee structure, okay? So like, this is for PG and research program. For if you are like, if you want to do like PhD program, you have to pay like 21,000, okay? And it is very very uh, easy to pay, because at the end of the month you will get 31,000, okay? Okay, 31,000. So all like within 1 month you will be your fees, okay? 1 month salary will be your fees, okay? So if you are like MTech student, MTech MSc student, if you are doing any masters program in IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi, you have to pay like 26,450 rupees. Okay, this is for like regular program. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, okay, I think you can see this. Okay, look, this is fees for 2020, and this is fees for 2019 student, and this is fees this fees for 2018 students. So I think this information will be really helpful. One more important information, this is IIT Mandi. Okay, this is IIT Mandi, and why I am taking this IIT for MTech MA program. Okay, because IIT Mandi also like this institute also is like they are offering for MA program in development study. Okay, so you can see this, like look similarly other IIT, uh, look institute fee 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and look and 5. Okay, so you have to add all this. Okay, you have to add all this, and it will be like look this. So total fees payable like for general and OBC, 1 to V, 1 to IV. So 1 to IV, like it will be around, and if you add this, so it will be around like 38,000. Okay, 38,000. Okay, 38,000. So look, it will be like grand total 1 to V, like 38,000 for general and OBC candidate. Okay, so it is like for first semester. Okay, but in second semester you have to pay like less amount, like 27,000. Okay, it is very less, like about 10,000 less in the second semester. Okay, because there are some fees that will be like one time payment this. Okay, so this fees will be like one time payment. Okay, during your admission. Okay, other three in other three semester you have not to do that. Okay, so for like AC and ST student. Okay, so it will be like 33,000 for your first semester, and for like in second semester you will pay like 2,500 rupees. Okay, and I think like your MHRD fellowship, MHRD fellowship, your MHRD fellowship like per month 12,400. So it will be really good amount to cover all the basic fees and your semester fees, your books and other gadgets also, like books and so on. So I think this information will be really helpful. And if you like, if you do like this video, please please hit the like button, press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, thank you, all the best, and thank you for watching this video. Tata bye bye from my side. Okay, and Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.